Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating the application and enabling the bot user so Discord recognizes it. Once created, set intents and permissions because they determine what events you receive. This matters for message handling and presence. Next, generate an OAuth 2 invite link with bot and applications. Command scopes so you can add it to servers. Make sure to copy the bot token into a safe environment variable or secrets manager and avoid paste in plain text. This protects access and prevents unauthorized control. You now build the code that glues Discord to your logic. First, pick a library that matches your language so you get event-driven hooks. This simplifies receiving messages and sending responses. Then, implement on ready-to-confirm connectivity and on message or command handlers to parse and route input into functions. Structure commands into modules and load via a registrar so adding features is easy. Also, enable logging and use environment variables for config. This helps debugging and secure deployment. You finish by deploying the bot where it will run continuously and handle restarts. Use Docker or a process manager so crashes auto-restart and monitor logs for errors. Then, test behavior in real channels, verify rate limit handling, and confirm the bot has required permissions in each guild. If something breaks, first check the token and intent settings, then review permission bits and library version compatibility. These are common causes. Finally, iterate on tests, add alerts, and roll out updates carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.